Hello, Hide first graders. Today we are going to be walking through a video on how to access Lexia, Dreambox, and Fastbridge. All of these things are located on the portal, but we're going to go through each of them specifically so you know exactly what tile it is that you're looking for. So just like normal, first thing you're going to want to do is launch a web browser. I'm going to launch Google Chrome because that's what we normally do. And this is my home page, but if it's not your home page, you are going to want to go to portal.usd259.net. And once you go there, you're going to need your username and your login, or your password to log in. So I am again going to pretend like I am Davis. So if I type in Davis's login information, and then I'm going to type in his password, and I am into the portal. So while I'm in here, the three things we're going to be going over today, again, are Lexia, Dreambox, and Fastbridge. So Lexia is this little tile that looks like this. It's called Lexia Core 5. So if you click it, it will prompt you to begin working at home. So we're going to wait and let it load just so you can see kind of what it looks like. So this is a great resource for reading and phonics. That's what it's going to prompt you to do once it loads.
Welcome to Lexia Core 5 Reading. Are you ready to start a new adventure? Whether this is your first time or you're a returning student, this new version of Core 5 offers exciting features for everyone.
Okay. And I'm going to stop it right there, but it will prompt you. It will prompt the students or parents, if you're sitting there with them, it will prompt them to go through and what to do. The next tile we're looking at is Dreambox. So first graders, you should be very familiar with Dreambox because we use Dreambox all the time. So it's a green tile with a blue and green D, and then it says Dreambox right below it. If you click it, you should be able to access Dreambox, and when you get in, it should have saved all of your information. So for example, it'll say their name up in the top. It'll tell you how many tokens that they have earned. And students know what to do from this point. You just click wherever you want to go, and it'll give you math activities to do.
Let's go finish finding all the clouds and elements needed for the spring storm.
So I'm going to turn her off. But students, you know what to do with that. And then the last one that you can access if you want is Fastbridge. When you get on here, we're going to encourage students to continue doing this once a week. We normally did this on Mondays, but it does not have to be Monday. If you do it, when you get on, you're going to click Progress Monitoring. You're going to click Automaticity, and it takes them into something that looks like this.
Work as fast as you can without making mistakes.
So while it does this, parents, please, if you are having your child do this, please have them do it individually on their own. This is just a way for us to track fluency with addition and subtraction facts. This one takes about 4 minutes, and they just go through and answer as many problems as they can. And then if you want to know how many they get correct and how many they get incorrect, you can reach out to your child's teacher, and we would be able to share that data with you, which is something that we were sharing with the kids before spring break began. So that is a quick tutorial on how to access Lexia, which is for reading, Dreambox, which is for math, and then Fastbridge, which was just kind of like a weekly check-in that we were doing. Thank you for watching, and I hope that this was helpful.